Wow, crazy. You're crazy, girl.
On day one of my trip, of course, we had to get some boba because, that's like kind of a thing with me and my friends and my cousins. And then we went to a nice park and drank our boba. Park was so beautiful. I never been to a park like this that's so open. And there was like a nice lake, and you could just sit down, relax, watch the waves. It was super fun. Here's me just randomly talking and filming myself just because I just want some content and just fun stuff. And then we went to this really nice restaurant. It's like a Thai food place, and you can look at the menu here, order something if you want. But we got some fried dumplings, some pad thai, and some like other noodles, some rice, and we got this amazing dessert. Okay, mango sticky rice is my favorite thing ever. Also, look at this picture I took from my phone. Yes, from my phone. It's so cool. Okay, on day two, I tried these everything bagel bomb or something, and it has like cream cheese filling inside, but it's kind of like a bagel. And they're surprisingly really good. I don't really eat from Dunkin', I don't really eat this type of stuff, but I'm glad I did it because I like it. It's new, it's fun. Later in the day, we decided to make some vegetable soup, so I'm cutting up some mushrooms here, trying to look really professional, and we just cut up so many different types of veggies like broccoli, carrots. You can use like anything you want, onions, as you can see here. And we just like cooked them first, of course, and then we added like the veggie broth, and we also added some noodles too. I also added like tofu on top to add some protein, make it more filling, and I also added these like really yummy crackers that I don't know what they were called, but they were really good, and I just kept adding them, and I'm pretty sure like half the bowl was just those crackers. I'm just gonna do a fake reaction. Okay, so I really wanted to crochet something, so I'm crocheting an reversible octopus for my cousin, and it turned out really nice. It was super fun to make, and I actually made two of them. I made them for another cousin when I came back. And as you can see, it's the happy face, and there's the angry face, and you just have to like sew them together, and it becomes like what you see here. It's so cool. I didn't actually make it in one day, but I just included it in day two. This day was very eventful because we did lots of things. First of all, I really wanted to get my aura photograph, so this is what I got, and it was kind of sad the way he interpreted it, but it's all good now. I'm working on myself. And then we found this really nice bakery with all this cool stuff, and we got this bear, and I got like a bun. We got all this tiny desserts, and this was so good. It tastes so light. Also, we went into this mall because I found Daiso. Oh my god, like I've been wanting to go to the store for so long, but it's mostly on the west coast, like California and whatever. When I went here, oh my god, I feel like all my dreams came true. My inner child self was so happy coming here, and I'll show a mini haul later, but this is one of the things I got, which is this hat. And we went to stop by this truck to get some momos or dumplings, and they were really good. They were super hot. As you can see, I kept blowing on them, but they were very delectable, as one would say. So I got this really cute scented keychain, Rilakkuma car air freshener, and I got these decal stickers which are super cute, and I put them on a car. So that's all we did today. These few days were super chill. Like I went with my aunt to eat out for dinner, and the dessert was so good. Oh my god. On a different day, we went to a carnival, which was super much. I went on all the rides. They were so fun. They were so crazy. I love them. I've never been to a carnival before, but I've been to like theme parks. Also, we saw this random horse kid on a bike, and everyone should see this. This day was also super packed. We did a lot of things. We went to the ice cream museum. Oh my god. We were originally supposed to go to Color Factory, but that didn't really work out because of timings. So we went to ice cream museum, and that was the best choice because there was ice cream literally in every room. We kind of got tired of it, literally after the second ice cream, because who can eat that much ice cream? Not me. There's so many cool rooms, like it's so pretty and so many pictures. And look, there's like cool bouncy castle we jumped on and hope we didn't break it, but there's so many fun things to do here. And oh my god, there was a slide that was absolutely insane. Oh my god, I'm still recovering from the slide. It's so fast, it's so unexpected, and it made me so dizzy. But every room was just so much fun and so interesting to look at because I'd never been to this place before. And they even had like a nice place that had swings and slides. And this room was the best. It was the last room. It was just full of sprinkles. I mean, obviously fake. But, you know, you're swimming in a pool of sprinkles and it's just super fun. And yeah, I jumped in. Here's me jumping into them. It was pretty late at night by the time we got done. So we just walked around and went home. Today was the last day of my Reiki 1 class, and I've been taking the class for like 3 days. Today was the last day, and I got like my certificate and a cute gift that the teacher gave, and I also painted this really cute painting on one of the days. And we also went to like a nice sushi restaurant. It was really nice. We had some vegetarian sushi, avocado, cucumber, sweet potato. I never tried sweet potato and I actually liked it. And we also had some miso soup on the side. During these last few days, we went to like this really nice bakery, and I loved the baked treats from here. They were so good, like so tiny, so cute, but so yummy. I was eating this cream puff, and also we made this pop and cooking kit, which is super nostalgic for my childhood. Like, it's been so long since I made one, but I also got this from Daiso, and that's why we decided to just make this fun kit. And we're basically making cute little gummies, and these are all these little shapes. You could make any color you want. It was super fun, and they taste pretty decent. This is probably the best tasting kit out of all of them. It kind of tastes like bubble gum. On the last day where I leave, my cousin took me to this pretty nice place for hiking, for just taking a small little walk early in the morning, like 6-7 a.m. and it was so wonderful. Like the perfect weather, not too cold, not too hot. It was nice foggy. You see all these swans, all these geese. Geese are really evil, okay? I was literally running past them when I saw them, and it's just super wonderful, lovely, and it wasn't even raining, but I just had my hood up. And that's all there is to my trip. It just felt super enjoyable, super fulfilling, super refreshing to my normal old daily life. It was just so nice to get out of my house and to somewhere that I've been before, but just in a new way.